Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix wheels and pedals issue with Formula 122 game. Now the first step is to disconnect all devices such as controller, joystick, or if you have any other USB devices connected, disconnect those devices. Try to use only the devices which is actually required to play the game. And rest, unplug everything and then launch the game. That should fix the problem. Now still you're facing the problem, then you can try this. Now this is very important. Now this has worked for many players, so it might work for you. Try this. So if you have separate wheel and pedals combo, then connect the pedals directly to the wheelbase. So unplug the USB from the computer. So instead of using the USB, you can directly connect the pedals to the wheelbase. So if you have pedals with RJ12 port, then you can use RJ code to connect to the wheelbase. Do not use the USB, and that should go ahead and fix the problem. Now this has worked for many players, so try this. Now the next step is to update wheels and pedals drivers. This is important, so copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. This is just an example, so go to your manufacturer website and then select your device. So I'm just giving an example. Make sure that you select your device over here and then download the drivers. So click on drivers and download and install this driver. Also download and install this firmware, and then restart your computer, set up your device and then launch the game. That should fix the problem. Now this has worked for many players, so it might work for you. So you can do that. Now if you are using shifter, unplug the shifter. Now this has also worked for many players, so it might work for you. So if you are using shifter, unplug the shifter, restart your computer after this, then launch the game. That should fix the problem. Now the next step is to restart your computer. First of all, restart your computer and then reset pedal to default and then launch the game. Now this has also worked for some users. Next step is to open this command. So you can type in this command in Windows search box, joy.cpl, and then open over here. Once you open this, open the wheel settings and then check for update. Once the update is installed, restart your computer and then launch the game. Now the next step is to set the game priority to high in Task Manager. So first of all, launch the game. Now once you launch the game, after you launch the game, open Task Manager. So make a right click on the start menu and then click on Task Manager. Now over here you can see the game. Make a right click and then click on go to details and then make a right click on the game exe file and then set priority. Here you can see set priority, set it to high and then click on change priority and then check. Now the next step is to do a clean installation of your graphics driver. So if you have NVIDIA card, go to NVIDIA website. If you have AMD card, go to AMD website. I don't know how, but this has worked for many players. So you can do a clean installation of your graphics driver. I'm showing for NVIDIA card. On NVIDIA website, select your graphic card from the list. So make sure that you select the right graphic card. So select your graphic card over here. In my case, I have selected my graphic card. You select your graphic card and then select the right operating system from here. In my case, it's Windows 10. If you have Windows 11, select Windows 11, then click on Start Search. Now once you click on Start Search, scroll down. The top one is generally GeForce Game Ready driver. Right now it is showing NVIDIA Studio driver, so I will download GeForce Game Ready driver. This is the latest one. So on the top you might see GeForce Game Ready driver. So download the latest version. So click on Get Download and then once the download is complete, run this exe file. Click on Yes to allow and then click on OK and let the process complete. Now click on Agree and Continue and then select the option which says Custom and then click on Next. Now put a check on the box which says Perform a clean installation. So put a check over here and then click on Next and let the installation complete. Now after the installation, restart your computer and then launch the game. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to get the wheels and pedals working with Formula 122 game. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.